Hello friends, you are welcome in our YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you a moral story, The Silent Soldier. Once upon a time, in a war-torn kingdom, two rival nations had been fighting for decades. Among the soldiers was a young man named Ajay. Ajay, who was known for his unmatched bravery and silence. He fought not for glory but to protect his family and village. He carried with him a locket containing a picture of his younger sister, the only family he had left. One winter night, during a fierce battle near the enemy border, Ajay was separated from his unit. As he sought shelter, he stumbled upon an injured enemy soldier. Barely conscious and shivering, Ajay raised his weapon but hesitated. He noticed the soldier clutching a small torn drawing of a child, much like the one in his own locket. Generally, what happens, friends, as you find your enemy, you will immediately kill your enemy. But it has been totally different with Ajay. So, Ajay, in spite of killing the enemy, he has compassion for the enemy. Why? Because he had small torn drawing of a child, okay, much like the one in his own locket. So Ajay lowered his weapon instead of finishing the man. He built a small fire, bandaged the soldier's wounds, and shared what little food he had. The enemy soldier, named Claudius, watched in disbelief. "Why help me?" he asked. Ajay simply replied, "Because your child is waiting for you too." When the war ended, months later, both men returned to their homes. Years passed and their countries slowly rebuilt. Ajay never spoke of that night. Decades later, a monument was built at the former battlefield to honor the unknown who chose peace over vengeance. At its base were two lockets, one with a girl's picture, the other with a child's drawing, and a plaque that read, "True courage is not in taking life, but in sparing it." So, dear friends, if you want to take revenge, so war is not good for everyone, it is dangerous for us. But if we choose peace, if we choose peace for the country, it would be very good for each and every man. So, moral of the story is that even in the midst of war, humanity and compassion can prevail. The greatest victories are not always won on the battlefield but in the heart. So, I hope, friends, that this moral story is helpful, is good for you. You have enjoyed this moral story. We will meet you in the next story. Till then, thank you.